Welcome on YouTube, and we're back with the next one. I don't know if I have on my mask though.
Always.
But actually, I don't know. But actually, no, so this is not stable at all. But actually, today we'll be actually in a challenge, as you guys would have seen, 500 versus 500. So we're in front of a supermarket, and we're actually going to go inside and
look at shopping.
It's speed shopping. I think we want to give each other 20 minutes to get our items there for our budget needs to be $500. We're going to give further explanation when we go home and what's the rules and what's expected. But right now we're at the market, so we're just going to show you what we're getting.
$500.
Yeah, let's go. Oh my gosh. Alright, we have 20 minutes officially to get all the things that we need. I'm trying to do, let's see. What do I need? I know what I need, but I'm so pretty scared. Alright, so I need some chicken breast.
So my first stop here.
Cheese!
Alright. Can't make the enemy, so I'm buying actually because the enemy today, $80. So we have almost $420 left out of $500. What else may I look for?
Oh my gosh, they don't have what I need, people. I need a chicken breast this season. If anything, I want something very cheap. That I've done the 500 same right there, so I may have to use this. I may have to just use this.
I'm sorry if you wouldn't like cut up meat. Alright people, we are taking this left Shadika and with dust.
I need it very cheap though. Yeah, alright guys, I'm gonna have to use stew. Oh god, I don't want to use stew, this is disgusting.
I'll die you. I'm sorry if you wouldn't like cut up meat. Alright people, we are taking this left Shadika.
Oh my gosh, Orin. I think I found it. Oh god, I don't want none of these. This looks disgusting. Alright, this actually don't look bad, but it's $266. I'm gonna put this as a possibility.
Alright, someone can. But me not know which one to buy.
Alright, I need potatoes. I can't reach my phone. Alright, I hate you.
Alright guys, never get that item. My mother! You know that is $600, right?
I'm going to...
The Lord be with you. Me there I start staying budget and Shadika gone way over budget. Alright, me I look sweet pepper. Look there. I'm going to change the $1 in my budget already and that alone I buy. Might have to go switch up this in people. I have to go do a quick run round. Me I switch up this.
Oh my gosh, I gotta get potatoes.
Sweet pepper, where are you? Sweet pepper, sweet pepper, sweet pepper. Sweet pepper, where art thou? Sweet pepper, where art thou? Oh, sweet. Alright, so see sweet pepper here. Sweet pepper cheap. Cheap. Oh, don't come them cheap. The cheapest thing me I buy. Yeah, the cheapest thing I buy a sweet pepper.
People are gonna rob me. Come today.
Me not robbing you, you rob yourself.
I don't know what to do.
Alright, them two you look big and nice, but them no fit the criteria. Have mercy. We just take them two and Alright, so I buy cabbage, come on, some other things from a plate different from the sweet pepper. Can't buy the carrots. So I'm gonna make a kind of pickled something with vinegar and the cabbage. Just the cabbage. I might buy 2 carrots out the door, but this is it for me. I'm gonna walk up and down see what else I can buy.
Alright guys, this is what I'm planning to do. So I'm hoping that the Irish and the sweet potato, I only pick up one of each. They don't pass $150. I think I'm going to put back the stew because it's a little bit more expensive, and just scrape the meat off for the back. And this is $51, this is $45 when I have some steam veg seasoned at the side. So I hope this comes out good. I'm going to put back that, and I have a little secret idea. We'll have like, I think we have a daiquiri mix at the house. I'm gonna try it and mix it up. Them say it tastes bad, I never tried before. I'm gonna mix it up and see if that can give me a little bonus. Yes. Mommy, I found my water. Mommy. Alright guys, so we'll have 8 minutes around that left. I'm going to put back the chicken back. I'm going to decide to use the stew instead. And I think that's it. I don't think I did need more than probably 15 minutes. The chicken really did hold me off.
Alright guys, I don't know what else we need. I don't know what else we need. I'm going to use. Then I have to stuff the sweet pepper them. Alright guys, so we just buy one tank. I make a little sauce with this, so I'm gonna see what I do with that. Yeah, so yeah, this is everything I'm gonna buy. It's over $500, but hopefully not too much. Shadika look like she should have $2,500 in her trolley, so we'll see how it go. I don't know yet, but yeah, this is what I'm buying.
As I'm with Orion now, same day I try workout because him calculate up and it passed the 500.
We need that, we need that.
Let's see what we
Need that, need that, need that. Do I need
How much for eating?
I don't know. You know the pump price.
You know the pump price, Orion?
I didn't look at it. But I don't did that little something here. A tang expensive. I go the $50 fee. Alright, so I'm gonna stick with them.
Guys, at this me I plan to spend one nanny, not no more. Hopefully, probably something less. Alright, so it's time to put things them up here, so yes. Probably need to be
Alright, so let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items may I buy.
And me
I think a 5 you have to. I see him 5.
Yeah. So $500
So they can know say each of the items don't cost $100 now.
I know, but let's see how it goes, because that is 200.
Exactly.
You have the bargain?
Yeah.
Alright guys.
So what I think if this costs 20?
You know, I love that.
It will not happen.
I love that.
It will not happen.
Orange squirt some bargain.
I can carry one of them. The small one. $500.
No, or you know what you talk about, me talk about forget the something there, the points on it. Jesus. The cash and separate here. Whoa, what you mean? Oh yes. Alright. 409. Yeah man, perfect. While I get back change Orion, you don't know for shop. Thank you. There you go. See your turn now. Alright. Alright. Final blow. Oh yes. Boy. So So me the one ahead of you already. Are you supposed to know? You say never go for. You're mad. $1,000 you have to pay already.
Get up.
Anyway, so.
Angel boy, never gonna stand a chance. Heartbreak like a sad romance. Said that you never come back again.
Why you being stush, man? Come, get into the spirit of it. Get into it.